going on, everyone? It's Jael back again with another video. So today we're going to be going over the top 3 best mock-up websites that I use, and I think a lot of print shops should be using in general. It makes it a lot easier to create mock-ups, also get like some random designs if you're selling designs as well. So yeah, we're doing top 3 best mock-up and I guess t-shirt designs websites. So let's get started. So let me jump into the top 3 that I use. It's gonna be Placid .net and Canva.com and CreativeFabrica.com. Those are the top 3 that I use, and you know what? They're probably the best in my opinion, and I've used a lot. So they all 3 of them all have similar functions, but they're all different in a way, if that makes sense. But anyway, so Placid Placid.net is probably the one that I use a lot. So you could do a lot with Placid.net. I'm not really going to go into an in-depth review of showing you everything, but I am just going to give you examples. So let's just say you go into Placid.net. This is the menu. You could go into mockups, apparel. They have face masks, hoodies, as you can see on here. And let's do t-shirts, since channels related t-shirts. So you can do, like, there's these mockups of a lot of people. Well, it's Pride Month right now, so that's basically what we're getting right now. Full pop-up, but that's fine. Let's just click into, okay, since you could kind of see more of a design on here. Well, it's taking some time to load. Sorry, it's because I'm running like multiple programs on my laptop right now, and it is slow, and everyone's on my Wi-Fi in my house. So okay, there we go. So yeah, it's usually not the slow, so just bear with me. And let's just go from upload from device, and then I'm gonna go on to some files that I have here, just some print on demand that I was testing out. And let's do this one. So then you would kind of, I guess, crop it to the center of the shirt. Just pretend that's like the collar. I know it's kind of sucks in that aspect, but you have to guess. I wish Placid would, figure that out. Well, anyway, there you go. Boom, mock-up done. And then you just hit the download button and it goes into your downloads. Yeah, and that's it. And you could change the shirt color. Let's just say we're into green, purple, or violet, whatever you want to call it, lilac. Anyway, there. Now let's go into Canva. Now Canva, you can do a lot in Canva. It's kind of like a Photoshop. It's a lot easier to do mock-ups. But anyway, check this out. It's got social media, marketing, video, office, custom t-shirts, cards, whatever. Let's just go into custom t-shirts. And oh, I forgot to show you on Placid, but there is designs on here that you can look up. Like, it has apparel. Oh my god. But anyway, let's just look at them. These are just random designs that they have on here. So there's a lot you can choose from. Yeah. And you can, of course, just manipulate the images and everything and make it in your liking. So anyway, let's go back to Canva. We went under design and we went under custom t-shirts, and then it says browse templates or create your own, and I'll just go through browse templates real quick. first. So yeah, there's all these templates you can look through and then kind of mess around with them, and then create a t-shirt. And then you're allowed to like edit it and remove stuff. I think you have to sign in, create like an account, sign in to like, I think change the text on these. I don't remember, but you would just hover over here and change the texts and everything. You can change the fonts and remove whatever you want, move it around like this. But like I said, I think in order to edit like the word faith, I think you have to sign in, change the text, but you can add text over here on the left side, add a heading. You know, there's so much stuff on here. My dog's back there trying to bark. Someone's coming in the house or leaving. Anyway, so yeah, and that's basically, yeah, Canva. That's like their basic mock-ups. Well, I guess it's more of a design, right? But you can still create mock-up designs on here. So anyway, that's Canva. We're gonna leave that. And then Creative Fabrica is another one. They have so much here you can buy from. There's fonts you can choose, there's graphics, there's crafts, there's embroidery, patterns, and it's crazy. You can even take classes here. This Creative Fabrica is, you know, if you want to get designs like pre-purchased or pre-made, sorry, you could purchase them. They're pretty cool. So let's just type on here like mock-ups, right? For shirts, let's just put shirts or whatever. There it is, something like that. I know I'm doing this fast, but anyway, see, they have mock-up shirts. You can purchase it. What I did personally is just do the 7-day trial for $1. Download as much as you can, and then you can cancel it. And then of course, you know, it's copyright, but you could download it, manipulate it, kind of make it your own. But don't use. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into copyright. Everyone should know by now. Yeah, and then there's embroidery. They like have pre-digitized files. It's crazy how much there is on here. But yeah, explore it when you have time. There's so much. Let's see, like, let's just say you want t-shirt designs, right? Let's go under t-shirt designs. Sorry, my laptop's making all these noises. Let's see. Yeah, see, they have like packs, like bundles. Let's just say like the fitness quotes and whatnot. So you just take a look at them. It's only $1. It's like if you're buying SVG files or any type of other PNG files on Etsy, kind of, but they have a lot, so just look at it. But anyway, that's that. So I wanted to go over pricing with all of you. So the subscription for Creative Fabrica, which I think is $19 a month. Well, I guess, yeah, see, for graphics, it's $19 a month. All access is $29. But the thing is that you get to download everything you want, and you don't get charged anything. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, let's go move on to Canva. And I believe Canva's plan, they do have the free plan, and then you could do the pro one, and I think the pro one is, let's see the prices. I believe it's like $20 as well. But you could do so much more with the Canva Pro. Yeah, see, the Pro is 120 a year. So I believe that's, let's go to monthly. I think that's, yeah. See, monthly is $13. And if you do the yearly, they give it to you for $10 a month. So that's not bad at all, especially if you're type of person that's constantly, you know, making mock-ups or like trying to, you know, do new designs and get some ideas and put stuff together. This is a great option. Just keep in mind, I will tell you, don't be cheap. Don't try to get everything for free, because you're not going to. But I mean, there is the free version, which I recommend to start off with, which is great. But yeah, you know, I always tell people, don't be cheap. Invest in your business, invest in yourself. Because that's just the way to go. Hold on, let me see the pricing. I think well, it's not gonna give me the pricing. Let me just log out of my account, and then there it is, pricing. I bought the yearly. There you go. This one's probably the cheapest, and it's pretty good. So it's $7.47 a month, unlimited subscription, and that's it. And it's crazy. Let's just go to start now. Okay, never mind. Maybe I won't. But yeah, $7.50 a month for Placid. I mean, that's the two that I use the most is Canva and Placid, and hands down, it's those two are my favorite. Although Creative Fabrica, that's not, like I said, it's a top 3 for me. I love Creative Fabrica as well. But anyway, yeah, I got the yearly plan, and I think I only paid like $4 a month for the entire $4 a month, yeah, for the entire year. So I only paid like $48 for the year when they had like the special. I think that was like probably around Christmas time or maybe Black Friday. But anyway, yeah, that's what, you know, I'd recommend this. But yeah, their mock-ups here are great. But yeah, these are my top 3. I hope this information helped all of you, and you kind of, you know, maybe make up your mind as to what you want to use. But they also have a free account for Placid. So but it limits you to certain, you know, mock-ups and all that, but it's still free regardless. But anyway, that'll conclude this video. And yeah, check out these websites on your own, do some research. That's all I can really say, I guess. I'm just gonna wrap this up and call it a day, you know. Anyway, all of you have a good one. Hit that like button, subscribe. I'm almost getting to that 500 mark, which is unbelievable. It's crazy. I thought I'd never get that far, but hey, thanks to all of you for subscribing, hitting that like button. Anyway, all of you, I'm out. Peace.